I'm Lindsay Pierce and we are at the Craft Studio, and today we're going to talk about how you can make a crown for a preschooler. So the first step, like always, is you're going to want to cover your work area with paper or newspaper, plastic. And then for our crown, what you're going to want to start with are these great foam crafting sheets. I made our sample in yellow, but you really can use any color. Right now I'm going to work with a pink one. So for the outline of the crown, it's always good to practice before you cut with scissors. You can use a Sharpie marker, a felt tip marker, or a pencil. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I like to draw a few different triangles, getting bigger as they go to the center, making one large triangle like the top of the crown, and doing the same on the other side. And if you make this with a little one, the younger kids can of course use kid-safe scissors. We're going to use grown-up scissors right now to follow our outline and cut. And the foam cuts really easily. And I like making the crowns out of the foam instead of construction paper because they last a little bit longer, and I think it's fun to kind of save the crowns after every special birthday. You can kind of use them again and take a look back. And as you're cutting, if you end up cutting not on the same exact line as you drew, it doesn't matter. It's okay if it's not perfectly symmetrical or even with your line. Okay, you can trim up the sides, make sure they're even. And next, you're just going to kind of embellish your crown shape. I love glitter glue because not only can you make it look beautiful and special, but it also acts as a glue. So if you want to add any rhinestones or any jewels, it really is a nice touch. I like to outline the name of the birthday child, and if you want to, again, use pencil to write the name. I'm going to make a crown for L and just outline it in pencil first. And then you take your glitter glue and you just follow along your outline. And if you're crafting with preschoolers, washable glitter glue is fine. This isn't the kind of thing that you're going to put in the washing machine. It'll stay on the foam permanently. It's not like you need a fabric glitter glue. And then you can kind of make some embellishments. I like to make a diamond shape, which even for the craft challenge is super easy. You do a triangle shape and then on the top, and then you do a matching one opposite of it to get a diamond shape. And it's amazing how just a little glitter glue can really make the crown stand out. And then as you're decorating, I like doing some jewels in the middle of our diamond shapes. And you can even add a little to the name that you outlined. Just kind of pick up the jewel with your finger. It kind of sticks on there nicely, and plop it on. You might need to use your thumb to kind of get it to stick. And then, so the kids can wear it, it's really simple. You take a hole punch, and you don't want to do it too close to the edge because just in case it's the elastic string pulls on it, you don't want it to rip. Just do one punch on each side. I like the elastic because then you don't have to worry about sizing. You just kind of cut it. You want at least the length of the crown so it's not too tight for the little preschooler. And you just tie a couple simple knots. Same thing on the other side, and you tie your elastic and you can let it dry. If you feel like you want to add a few more jewels, you can go right ahead. And there you have it, a crown for a preschooler or even a grown-up to wear. Thanks so much for watching.